Sorry, something interrupted the video for a minute there. My bad. I cleared it. We're good. We shouldn't have any more interruptions. At least not unintentional interruptions anyway. If I need to pause to check something real quick, I will. But obviously, I'm pretty quick at getting back on. And the road is just like covered in water. I mean, look at this. Flash. Red's getting a little smaller right now, but it is definitely, but it's getting closer now. Maybe just a few more minutes until it hits. According to my eyes, we may have already seen it. Because the rain intensity is now finally decreasing. So, I think that red spot may have already come through. The location of which were the heaviest shafts might have just been a little bit off on the radar. So, with the rain dying down, we might see some bolts. And if we do, they're probably over here now. To our right, that is. Our east. We'll definitely keep an eye on everything. Well, guys, I'll say this: if this event for my part of the for my location and our phase of the severe weather threat is over early enough, we might actually still get the paranormal review in soon enough. Depends on the timing. So we'll see what happens. But right now it's uncertain. It's about 7 o'clock right now, p.m. We still have some light rain going on. And they just dropped the special weather statement that was previously in effect. Yeah, we just got surrounded in convection there. The storm exploded. The rain's picking up again, guys.